Hey guys, welcome to Balazo. This is your host Ayush, and today we have our friends from Rajasthan Royals. We have Divya and we have our CEO Himanshu. So
Hi,
let's begin.
Hello.
Ayush.
So Himanshu, my first question is to you. Uh, what is your playing 11 for the great Rajasthan Royals?
Oh, okay. So, first of all, I will like to go with Ben Stokes and Josh Butler up front for the opening of as an opening pair because Sangakkar also has made it clear. Like I will be sending Ben Stokes up front. He won't be involved too much in the bowling, so he has to focus more on his batting. And I feel like Ben Stokes needs time to settle. So once he starts the innings, he will get lot of time so that once the spinners come arrives, so he can batch them like out of the park. So that's why I will be playing with Stokes and Butler up front. Then our captain Sanju, uh, he has to lead the team. And last season he has won us many matches. So looking forward, he can do the same thing coming at the third. And fourth, I will go with Liam Livingstone. Okay. So for Liam, I'm picking Liam because he has had a great big bash this season, and he has also got England call up, and he has been batting for them at number 4. So I think he will fit the bill
Yes.
quite well. And for fifth, we will have our poster boy Parag, Riyan Parag, and
Oh,
sixth Rahul Tewatia. Then at seventh, I will go with Shivam Dube, which was a quite exciting acquisition this IPL auction. I was pretty excited that we got him. Looking forward for his season. Then after Dube, I will go with Chris Morris, the gem of a player. Like people question about his fitness a lot, but he has been working very hard, on his fitness. And no doubt he has got capabilities. He is a great all rounder and would be a great asset, especially in the absence of Archer. So he will be we will require him to fire in all departments. After Chris Morris, I will go with this Chetan Sakaria. This is a new kid, but I think we will give him chance this season. After Chetan Sakaria, Shreyas Gopal and Kartik Tyagi. So that's my playing 11.
okay, nice. Divya, do you feel the
Ji-
same?
No, I think I would like to change Liam Livingstone with David Miller. I think
Oh, and
because
why so?
because David Miller is a explosive T20 batsman, okay, and he has lots and lots of international experience. So and in South Africa versus Pakistan series, he scored very well. So I think he is much more experienced player than Liam Livingstone. So I want to give him as first priority. Yeah. In the play of Chetan Sakaria, I want I want to go with JD. या बिकॉज चेतन सकारिया को इतना नॉलेज नहीं है, इतना एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, वो नया है. तो मैं ये चाह रही थी कि पहले जेडी कुछ मैचेस में आए, कुछ हमें विन मिले 2-3 मैचेस में, फिर मैं चेतन सकारिया को चांस दूंगी. तो या ये दो प्लेयर को आई वांट टू चेंज.
Okay. So Divya, I want to ask you one more question.
यस.
Last year, Joffrey Archer आपकी टीम के most valuable player थे. I know that इस season वो starting में है नहीं.
नहीं है.
So आपकी टीम से most valuable player कौन हो सकता है आपके हिसाब से?
मेरे टीम से I must say Josh Butler is the most valuable player. I'm go with Josh Butler. Yeah.
What will you say,
Uh,
Himanshu?
uh, it's between Butler and Stokes. So, but I will go with Ben Stokes because he can contribute in all the departments. You know his fielding. He's a superman in the field, and with his form back in the bowling, he could really help us because we are missing Archer for the first 4 games. As what I know from where I read it from, he has undergone a surgery, so we'll be missing him for first 4 games. So Stokes might be a vital bowler in the death overs for us, help like bowling in combination with Chris Morris. So one more thing I want to add in this Butler and Ben Stokes, they are the I agree with her also. Like it's 49 and 51% for me. Like 49 to Josh Butler and 51 to Ben Stokes. Because the thing is, they will be literally litting this IPL season. I can vouch for that because seeing the first 5 matches for us, it's on 1K day. So it's like proper batting pitch. The outfield is quite fast, and Butler has a good record there. He's every time bashing Mumbai Indians whenever we visit them there, and it's like it's an assurance for us. Like when we start with Butler and Stokes up front, they will definitely they will definitely win us 4 to 5 matches on their own. Like
Yeah.
definitely, I'm quite
I
sure
agree.
of that.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. Yeah. Himanshu, I want to ask you one more thing.
Yeah.
We have seen in most of the previous seasons, Sanju Samson used to open for Rajasthan Royals, but now you are choosing Ben Stokes and Josh Butler.
Yeah.
So, do you think that the combination of wicket keepers, Sanju Samson and Sangakkara, will be fruitful for your team or not?
Definitely. This Sangakkara is a cricketing legend. Everybody is quite aware of that. And he brings a lot of experience for our young guns, especially Sanju Samson. He has been a Royal for last 8 or 9 years. So, Sanju, the problem with Sanju Samson till now is he has a lot of strength. He can middle the ball quite well. He has a great timing. You will like to watch Sanju Samson playing his shot more. It's a mix of Rahul Dravid and Sachin Tendulkar. So yeah, I love to watch his batting. But the thing is, he out of the 14 matches, he bats well for 2 or 3 matches properly.
Initial matches.
Yeah. So
Problem.
I want that experience he will gain from Sangakkara, how to finish most number of matches. Now you are a captain too, so you need to take the responsibility coming at number 3. So yeah, I'm looking forward so that he can win more matches to us, and surely he can get a call up for Team India in the upcoming World Cup ahead of Pant.
Yes. In Team India, Sanju Samson is not that successful.
Player.
Not Prithvi Shaw, but Sanju Samson.
He didn't get much chances. It's
But still, I think he got
not
3 to,
Rishabh Pant.
but he didn't play well.
Yeah, Rishabh Pant has been given a lot of chances.
Lot of
I
chances. Yes.
think Rishabh Pant is Virat Kohli's favorite, so that's why.
Yeah, after some time you will gradually learn and you will start playing. That's what he is doing. He has learned a lot,
actually.
yeah. So
Okay.
I want to add one more thing for
Yes,
DC fans here. DC fans are quite crazy about Rishabh Pant. As soon as he was appointed as a captain, no, people are comparing him with the likes of Ben Stokes, and I don't know why. How can they compare him to the likes of Ben Stokes? Rishabh Pant has achieved nothing in his career till now, and he has not taken even a single responsibility to win. Now he has won us at Gaba, but in Australia. But earlier it's for DC also he's not taking that responsibility role and finishing the innings. So I don't agree with DC fans on that. They are comparing and
okay.
with Ben
So
Stokes.
You are saying that Ben Stokes and Rishabh Pant will juggle the orange cap.
No, not at all. No, not a
No,
chance.
not at all. Not a chance. No.
Okay, so Divya.
Yes.
लास्ट टाइम जब शेन वॉटसन को टीम से हटाया गया था तो नेक्स्ट सीजन में उन्होंने सेंचुरी स्कोर करी राजस्थान रॉयल्स के अगेंस्ट. तो इस सीजन स्टीव स्मिथ नहीं है, उनको टीम से हटा दिया गया है. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि वो इस बार रॉयल्स के अगेंस्ट सेंचुरी या कुछ अच्छा स्कोर करेंगे?
आई थिंक स्टीव स्मिथ को जो टीम से निकाला है ये बहुत अच्छा डिसीजन है, और मेरे को लगता है कि दिल्ली कैपिटल्स में उनको टॉप 11 में भी नहीं लेंगे, तो सेंचुरी स्कोर करना तो बहुत बड़ी बात है. यू सी, इट विल नॉट
Okay.
हैपन. नो.
Yeah, I totally agree with her. It's impossible for Steve Smith to get into the playing 11 of DC.
Yeah.
And because why will they waste a foreign slot for Steve Smith when they have a similar player in Ajinkya Rahane? So
Obviously.
I agree with her. He won't even get a chance to get in the playing 11. So how will he score?
But you know, एक important player है वो ऑस्ट्रेलियन टीम का.
He was.
So-
Now the Australia have come up with a lot of young talent who can replace him any day.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
He is important for them. He is important for them in test matches definitely, but like in T20Is, he can be replaced.
Okay. So मैं next आप दोनों से एक सवाल पूछना चाहूंगा कि आप दोनों का मोस्ट वैल्यूएबल यूथ प्लेयर कौन है इस सीजन में? दिव्या, पहले आप.
अच्छा, तो मेरे अकॉर्डिंग रियान पराग मोस्ट वैल्यूएबल यूथ प्लेयर है, क्योंकि आरआर के 2 सीजन में अब तक, फर्स्ट सीजन में उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा खेला, सेकंड सीजन में इतना अच्छा स्कोर नहीं कर पाए, तो आई एम होपिंग बेस्ट फॉर हिम फॉर दिस सीजन. सो आई थिंक रियान पराग फॉर मी.
Okay. हिमांशु?
So yeah, Riyan Parag can be, but I think it will be Kartik Tyagi. He has got a lot of talent, and last season we could see his he was fearless. He was bowling bouncers to one of the top players he was facing. So after that, he was called up for training sessions. He was a net bowler for Team India also. So he is getting a lot of exposure since the last year, and yeah, he will be vital for us in the absence of Jofra Archer for sure in the first 4 matches.
Okay.
So yeah, he will be the emerging player for me.
Okay. Himanshu, I have, one serious doubt or concern for Rajasthan Royals. You said Ben Stokes and Josh Butler are your best duo, best players, best openers, everything. They were in 2019 with you, in 2020 with you. But in 2019, RR finished 7th. In 2020, they finished 8th. Are they going towards disqualification? What do you think?
No, not at all.
Yeah, for that I will say it's you can take it in a funny way. It's like in the classroom we used to rotate, right? It's like 7th, 8th, and 1st.
Oh,
This season we are going to
Yeah,
finish first for sure.
exactly.
And regarding the form of Ben Stokes and Josh Butler is performing really well. Actually, the problem was we were shuffling him a lot across the lineup, and he had to play a lot of responsible innings down the order and other places. So we can see like Ben Stokes improving every season. He had a great season in IPL for Pune Warriors, as I can recall, in 2017. So I think this season will be a great season for Ben Stokes, similar to that one. 2017, he was the MVP of IPL. So I'm hoping,
Okay.
fingers crossed. Ben Stokes.
Okay, guys, thank you for joining.
Thank you, Ayush.
So, guys, please like, share, and subscribe to Balazo.
Halla bol.
Allah bol.
Okay, bye.